What number when increased by 80% of itself will equal to 63? So gawan lang natin ito ng equation word by word. So what number, hindi natin alam yung number. So let's say n. When increased by 80, so we have n when increased by 80, so plus 80 or 80%. 80% of itself. So 80% in decimal, 80% in decimal is equal to 0.8. Increase by 80% of itself. So meaning 80% of itself, i-multiply natin sa number n. So we have plus 0.8 n will equal to, that is equal sign, and then we have 63. Solve the value of n. So we have n or 1n plus 0.8 n, that is equal to 1.8 n equals 63. So solve for n, divide both sides by 1.8. So when dividing decimal, gagawin nating whole number ang divisor. So move lang ng isa, and then sa taas, syempre sa numerator, move din ng isa. So therefore, we have 630 divided by 18. So just solve this using long division. So we have 630 divided by 18. So we have, tingin sa choices, so 3 lahat. So therefore, ito ay 3. 3 times 8, so we have 24. And then 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 2, we have 5. So subtract 63 minus 54, that is equal to 9. Bring down 0. 90 divided by 18, that is equal to 5. 5 times 18 is 90. So therefore, the correct answer is 35, letter C. Follow for more.